Of course, once one has been practicing just making noises and just doing that for a few months, how does one change from going from making crude noises to actually playing tunes? Here is how. To go from making these crude noises to actually playing more refined tones, what you need to do is, after you couple your hands, you basically adjust the tension of the squeeze to play higher notes or lower notes. The lower the tension, the lower the notes. The higher the tension of the squeeze, the tension, the higher the notes. So it takes more energy to play higher notes than lower notes. Okay, if someone wants to adjust the volume when they play, for example, they go from very soft to louder, all they need to do is basically add force to the squeeze. Rather than squeeze like this, just go wham for each note. Okay, what has been illustrated thus far was showing you how to play one note per squeeze. For example, you were playing a note, then relaxing your hands, then playing another note, then relaxing, then squeezing, then relaxing, then squeezing, then relaxing. But what happens when you play a fast piece of music? For example, What Shall We Do with Drunken Sailor? As you can see by that quick demonstration of the first few measures, there are some limitations to individual squeezes versus notes. It can sound a little choppy in certain areas where it's not supposed to be. So, I have a method that will show you guys how you can play several notes within one squeeze. Initially, you were doing squeeze, relaxation, squeeze, relaxation, squeeze, relaxation. But you can actually do squeeze, squeeze further and further and further, then relax. Then squeeze further and further and further, then relax. For example, now when I play What Shall We Do with the Drunken Sailor, you will notice a difference. Initially, I was playing individual notes per squeezes. And now watch or listen as I play several notes within one squeeze. And I'm sure you noticed the difference how playing one note per squeeze in a song like this may sound choppy versus playing several notes within a squeeze to make it sound more refined and so you can actually handle faster playing tunes. So far I have shown you guys how to play notes, but they were quick notes. But how about sustaining a note? This way you can go from playing quick notes to sustained notes. Okay, this is what you do. When you play quick notes, you are going like that, or like this, if you're doing several notes within a big squeeze. But rather than go this way, you're going at a slower pace, like that. And that is how you play sustained notes.